Hi, hope you're doing well. So, if this video comes a little late next week, it's because I'm sick, but don't worry, I'm getting better, hopefully. This is the information for our class today. This is week 2, lesson 3, and I hope the video will be ready by April 13th, but I don't know right now. This is level 1. Today we are learning unit 6, lesson C, lesson E, and lesson F in the book. We are also going to learn online navigating and extra English. You are probably watching this video between April 13th and April 26th, but I am making this video on April 12th. So this is section 1. In each lesson there are 3 sections, there are 3 videos. In section 1 we have a warm-up, online navigating. Unit 6 we're going to review lesson B and lesson C. And then we're going to practice the questions, do you, are you, and can you. This is in section 1 of lesson 3. Okay, let's start with the warm-up. I want you to tell me today is, the date is, the weather is, the temperature is how many degrees, and it feels. How does it feel? So, for me, today is Sunday. Happy Easter, it's Sunday. The date is April. The month is April. The date is the 12th. And the year is 2020. The weather is cloudy. And the temperature is, I do not know. Hold on. The temperature is 56 degrees. It feels chilly. So now tell me, what is the day for you? What is the date for you? What is the weather? What is the temperature? And how does it feel? And now I have a question for you. There was a horse that lived this year to this year. This is a period of time. We have 2 years. This is the start and this is the end. This is when the horse was born and this is when the horse died. This is a year and this is a year. What do we write for a period of time? What time words do we use? We use from 1773 to 1800. There was a horse that lived from 1773 to 1800. His name was Put. Okay, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 O's. 8 O. Potato, because there are 8 O's here. Pot, 8 O. His name was Potato. There was a horse that lived from 1773 to 1800. His name was Potato. Now, let's learn a new word you're going to hear a lot this month. It's called telecommunicating. It's a long word. Telecommunicating. Telecommunicating. Telecommunicate. Communicate, you probably understand communicate is to talk with somebody. You can call them or send them a text or send an email. Tele means to use technology, like the telephone. So when we put tele and communicate together, we have talk with people on the phone or the computer. You can use this for work, for the doctor, or for lawn care. So, work. Right now you're watching, well, for me, my job is an English teacher. I have to teach you English. I am telecommunicating with you. I am talking to you on the computer or on the phone. You're watching this on a video. You can talk to your doctor on the phone or on the video. So right now, you cannot go to the doctor's office. You need to call. And if you want to do a checkup, you have to call the doctor and then you do a video chat with the doctor. You are telecommunicating with the doctor. Or last week, I needed someone to cut the grass at my neighbor's house. So I called them on FaceTime and then I showed them the grass and they told me how much money it cost to cut the grass. This is telecommunicating. It is the new form of business now that we cannot leave the house. So, ways to telecommunicate. FaceTime. FaceTime is for iPhones. Okay. Zoom. Zoom, you can have a lot of people talking together. Hangouts is the same. A lot of people are talking together. Or Skype. Or Slack. These are programs on your phone or on your computer that help you talk with other people. These are programs to help you telecommunicate or work from home or talk online, telecommunicate. So now let's practice telecommunicating to make sure you understand. This is the class website. And let's use week 1 for an example. There are always maybe 4 or 5 items here. You need to do everything in the order. So first is lesson 1. Lesson 1 is here. Click here. And there are always 3 videos you need to watch in every lesson. So lesson 1, there's video, there is part 1, part 2, part 3. 3 videos. Each video is 20 minutes long. When you finish lesson 1, you can do the homework. The homework is optional. You do not need to do the homework, but you can for more practice. When you finish lesson 1, do lesson 2. Lesson 2, again, 3 videos, part 1, part 2, part 3. Each video is 20 minutes long. When you finish lesson 2, there is homework. There is 1 homework that is optional and 1 homework that is required. The online homework is required. This is the online homework here. It asks for your first name, your last name, your class, and it asks, did you watch the videos in lesson 1? Yes, no, some of them. And then it asks you the question for unit 2, for lesson 2. When you finish lesson 2, there is a weekly checkup. This is required. The weekly checkup is asking you, do you understand lesson 1 and lesson 2? And then it asks you, how do you feel? Do you feel happy, worried, stressed, or scared? And then it asks you, do you have any questions? Or do you have any concerns? Any worries? Do you have any suggestions for class? And finally, at the end, you can sign up to talk with me so you can practice speaking. You can just ask me on WhatsApp, or you can sign up here. This is telecommunicating. This is so you can practice talking with me on your phone or on your computer. So let's review the time words. By now you should know them, but in case you don't, let's practice. at. With at, we use at for the hour. So we say at 11, at 8 o'clock, or we say at 4:30, at 5:30, at 3 p.m., at 11 a.m. Ooh, that's bright. Okay. And we say at night. In. We use in for a part of the day. So we say in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening. And we use in for month or a year. So we say in April, in June, in 2019, or in 2000. We use in for the part of the day, the month, or the year. So for a month like September, we say in September, in the evening, at 12 o'clock. Now, let's do on. On is for days of the week. Days of the week are the weekdays and the weekends. So we say on the weekdays, or we say on the weekend. So we say on Monday, on Tuesday, on Friday, on Saturday, on Sunday. On, the day. We also use on for date. A date is a specific date of the year. So we say on April 6th. We ask questions like, when is your birthday? It's on the month and the date. The date today is April 12th. On April 12th, I am making your video. On. On is for day and date. And finally, we have from, to. The start, the end. We can use this for any unit of time. We can say days, hours, minutes, months, or years. From, to. So we can say, I take a break from 11 to 11:30. Or I work from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Okay, now I want you to finish this sentence and finish the answers to the question. So here, do you work blank Sunday? A time word goes here. So what time word goes with Sunday, a day? Do we use at, in, on, or from, to? Because Sunday is a day, we use on. Now, do you work on Sunday? Yes, I do. No, I don't. Let's do the next question. Are you working blank the afternoon? Yes and no. The afternoon is a part of the day, so we use in. Are you working in the afternoon? Are you working in the afternoon? Yes, I am. No, I am not. And the last question, does she work blank June 16th? June 16th is a date. It is a day. So do we use at, in, or on? We use on. Does she work on June 16th? Yes, she does. No, she doesn't. So now, let's practice can. Can is always the same for all subjects. I can, you can, he can, she can, it can, we can, they can. Always can. I can drive, I can cook, I can write, I can read, I can speak. This is can. This is cannot. It means you don't know how, or it's not possible. It is not possible. I cannot swim. I cannot drive. I cannot fly. I cannot lift a car. A car is too heavy. I can't pick it up. I cannot pick up a car. I cannot move a rock. I cannot. Another way to write cannot is can't. I cannot and I can't is the same. He cannot, he can't is the same. So this is yes, this is no, and this is no. Yes, I can. No, I cannot. No, I can't. So, can you swim? Yes, I can, or no, I can't. Tell me, can you swim? Okay. Can she drive to work? Can she drive to work? Yes, she can. No, she can't. So, yes, I can. I can do this. I know I can do this. It's easy. I cannot do this. It is not possible. It is impossible. I cannot. Or, I can't. So, here's a question. Can you work blank Tuesday? What time word goes here? Tuesday is a day. Do we use in, at, or on? We use on because it is a day. Can you work on Tuesday? Yes, I can. Oops. No, I can't. Now, if the question was, do you work on Tuesday? If the question was, do you work on Tuesday? The answer is, yes, I do. No, I don't. But because this question is can, the answer is yes, I can. No, I can't. This is the question word, and this is the question word. Can you work blank 7 a.m.? Do we use at, in, or on for 7 a.m.? Because 7 a.m. is a time, we use at. Can you work at 7 a.m.? Yes, I can. No, I can't. Can you work blank the afternoon? Can you work in the afternoon? Yes, I can. Yes, I can. No, I can't. Can you work in the afternoon? Yes, I can. No, I can't.